Rajkot style green pudla or chilla is very healthy and tasty breakfast recipe. Kids will love this, so do give it a try. If your kids hate green leafy veggies, especially spinach and methi, then do give this recipe a shot and they are going to love it. Also, this recipe is gluten free, so all my Weight Watchers out there have this pudlas guilt free. Just whip the ingredients and you will have a nutritious meal on your table in no time. So, let's just get started with the recipe. I am adding 2 tablespoons of suji or rava, and then I am adding 2.5 tablespoons of yogurt. This will make the pudlas very soft. I went ahead and added 1 tablespoon of green chili paste, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Then 1 teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, and salt according to your taste preferences, and then mix this really well. Once you see that the mixture is mixed well, then you add 1 cup of spinach leaves, 1 cup of methi leaves, and half a cup of coriander leaves finely chopped. And then again mix this really well. You have to use your hands so that the water from the spinach and the methi leaves oozes out, and we will need less water to make the batter. In total, I have used 1/4 cup of water to make the batter. So you just have to mix this really well. So this way, see the consistency of the batter. Then to give some texture to the pudlas, I went ahead and added 1 finely chopped onion to it, and now mix the batter once again. So since we have added suji to this, the batter will thicken, so adjust the water according to it. And can you see the consistency? We need to have this pouring consistency, so then only we will be able to make good pudlas. So see, this is the consistency that we want. Now let's start making the pudlas. So here I have taken cast iron pan, and to that I have added some oil, and now I am taking 2 ladles of the batter, and I will be spreading this, and I will be making thin chillas, like thin pudlas out of the batter. So yes, spread the batter until you get the desired thickness of the pudla, and then you have to cover it with the lid. After 2 minutes, you will see that the upper side of the pudla has already cooked. So now it is the time to flip the pudla. So here I am flipping the pudla. See, this is how the pudla should turn. See, it has so nice brown color. Now again cover the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes, and then again flip it. And now our pudla is in. If you don't like this burnt part, then you can throw it away, but I love it, so I just have it like that only. In the same way, make the other pudlas out of the batter. It's time to serve this healthy, nutritious pudlas. So you can serve this with green chutney, or with some cheese also. You can shred some cheese also on top of it, but I have served this with ketchup because I love it with ketchup. Even my son loves it with the ketchup only. So yes, do give this recipe a try, and if you try, then do let me know into the comment section below how it turned out. Did your child like it? So I will be waiting for your comments, and also do give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you until next time. Bye, take care.